Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to stream NASCAR races, Prime Video is becoming part of the mix, but it's not the main home for every race. Access depends on broadcast rights, special events, or add-on channels. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to watch NASCAR on Prime Video in 2026 clearly and realistically. So you have to know that some NASCAR races are available on Prime Video, which is a limited schedule. Coverage may be part of new broadcast deals, okay? And it works on mobile, web, and smart TVs. So Prime Video means partial NASCAR coverage, not full season. Okay, so open Prime Video, like launch Prime Video, whether it's on your PC or phone. So go to home screen. Be ready to explore live content. Go to sports section, like look for sports, all live and upcoming. Scroll through featured events, like NASCAR races may appear here. Okay, so search for NASCAR. You can search for it. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, so you use your keyboard. Tap search and it displays available races, replays, or highlights. Okay, so check access type, like you may see included with Prime, which means free, channel required, which means needs subscription, or reply and highlights, which means it's available after race. So it's always, you have to always verify before watching. So subscribe if needed. So go to channel section, add required sports channel. It unlocks additional NASCAR coverage. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.